What's up, y'all? Okay, so look at this. This is my hair blown out. I wish, but we get in there. This wig is, I mean, she's been my go-to. It's been so hot, and I've been needing something to wear besides my real hair. So our friends over at Yolissa Hair hooked us up, okay? So this is my box. My box was taped together because this wig is so thick, and all the stuff that comes with it. Came with some lashes, melt band. It came with, I mean, it's 24 inches and 180 density. It came with an HD cap, which I love and I didn't need, or the baby hair. I didn't need really anything, but they're always good to have. But this wig is really, really full, and I didn't put that much heat on it. So this is what the inside looks like. So it looks like this was it's a lace wig, but the band is not a typical lace band. It looked like it was kind of reinforced, and they just cut the middle and put combs in it. I like the combs that are in the actual cap. We'll get back to that in a second. So this is what I did. I shouldn't have did this. I used a different thread color just so you can know it was wash day was coming. Y'all know I got dandruff like crazy, so just excuse the mess. But I decided to, just because I was being lazy and I didn't really feel like looking in the mirror and really parting my hair properly. So I'm like, oh, this way is fine. I shouldn't have done this. And I'm gonna tell you why. Those combs are too small for this. Because of the fact that if I would have just did it regular, I would have been fine. But because I rolled it back and then I did it, yeah, those little combs were snatching. It stayed, but there was pain. So don't be me and don't be in pain. So just go ahead and take 2 anchor braids if you want to, or you could just do one all the way around if you feel like it. It just depends. So there is a comb in the back, and then there's a combs here on the side, and these are those snap clip combs where you put them in and then you snap them to lock them in place. So this was me trying to just, when I first get like U parts, I like to put them on and just see how much hair I can leave out. Off camera, I did measure this to see how much hair I was gonna need. It's not much. For something like this, you don't need that much just because the hair is 180 density. So girl, how much hair do one need out? Now, I do press and flat iron my hair on a regular basis. So my hair, this is what it looks like after I blow dried it. I haven't put any heat on it or anything outside of the blow dryer. So this is what it looks like. If your hair is more coarse, this could work too. You could probably hit it with a little heat, or even put it in and then blow dry it all together would also help as well. But for me, it matched perfectly. It was just enough hair to leave out to get sunburnt because it's been so hot, but I can protect the rest of my hair, which is fine. So here we went ahead and cut it. Again, wash day was coming. The release felt great though, I'm not gonna lie to you. But as you can see, I didn't pull it all the way back. So I have more cap in the front on my forehead than one should. And that's just simply because of these braids. I was trying so hard to get the pressure off the front that I couldn't pull it back. I just couldn't bring myself to do it. So once I got them in, as you can see, with no problems, but I was dying on the inside. This was the first day I had got it and I had somewhere to go. So I went from no eyebrows to eyebrows. And as you can see in the inside, the more you play with it, the more I brushed it, the older the wig got, the more natural it looked. In the inside, it always is gonna look more of a uniform just because the hair is fresh out of the pack. I mean, well, the bag. But the more you wash it, the more that will eventually go away. And you can also take a hot comb to it if you want to, and it'll get those little zigzags in the inside out as well. And that was really it. It's very simple and to the point. It doesn't require a lot. It's to the point. So this was me before I left. And as you can see, if I do a backflip or whatever, I'm pretty sure I would have been completely fine. But it blends like a dream. And that was really it. So shout out to them. And this is how I take it off. And as you can see, this was a long day. At this point, I was greasy because it was hot. And again, don't be made. 2 small anchor braids will save your life here. And that was it. So, you know, shout out to them though. This is a great alternative, and you can curl it and all that. So see y'all later. But here's a few bloopers of me just acting a fool.